Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with GOURAB. In this video, I will discuss you West Bengal Board English Medium Class 6 Geography Chapter 1 all important question and answers. So watch the full video. If there is anyone watching my video for the first time, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the video. Class 6 English Medium Geography Chapter 1 Third part video. First question, what are meteors? Meteors কাকে বলে? Answer, meteors are small fragments of metallic rock scattered in the solar system. Meteors burn when they enter the Earth's atmosphere and are called shooting stars. Next, what do you understand by meteorites? Meteorites বলতে তুমি কি বোঝো? Answer, the unconsumed parts of the meteors which reach the Earth's surface are known as meteorites. Next, what is universe? Universe কাকে বলে? Answer, the universe is a vast infinite heavenly space which comprises all the heavenly bodies, the sun, the planets, and several galaxies of stars. What is a light year? Light year কাকে বলে? Answer, a light year is the distance which a ray of light would cover in a year's time, about 9.5 trillion kilometers. Next, what is galaxy? Galaxy কাকে বলে? Answer, a galaxy is a group of millions of shining stars scattered regularly in space. It is also known as the Milky Way or Akashganga. Next question, what are the satellites? Satellites কাকে বলে? Answer, satellites are small spherical bodies which revolve around a particular planet. Next question, what is new moon? New moon কাকে বলে? Answer, when the moon shows its dark side to the earth, it is called new moon. What is full moon? Full moon কাকে বলে? Answer, when the moon shows full face to the earth, it is called full moon. What is astronomy? Astronomy কাকে বলে? Answer, it is the study of positions and motions of heavenly bodies. Next, what are shooting stars? Shooting stars কাদের বলে? Answer, when a meteor enters the Earth's atmosphere, it burns and is called a shooting star. Next, what is known as cosmology? Cosmology কাকে বলে? Answer, the study of solar system is known as cosmology. Next, why stars seem twinkling to us? কেন আমরা স্টারসদের আকাশে টুইঙ্কলিং অর্থাৎ চকচক করতে দেখি? আনসার, দ্য লাইট ফ্রম দ্য স্টার্স passes through different layers of the atmosphere with varying densities. As a result, stars seem twinkling to us. Next, what is called eclipse? Eclipse কাকে বলে? Answer, an eclipse is the darkening of a heavenly body when the shadow of one object in space falls on another object. Next question, what is a light year? Light year কাকে বলে? Answer, a light year is the unit adopted for measuring distances in the universe. A ray of light travels at a speed of 3 lakh km per second. A light year is the distance which a ray of light would cover in a year's time. This works out to 9.5 million kilometer. Next question. Where from the word solar origin? Solar wordটা কোথা থেকে এসেছে? Answer. The word solar comes from the Latin word solaris, meaning sun. Next, what are called an orbit? Orbit কাকে বলে? Answer. All the 8 planets of the solar system revolve around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Next question. Why is Venus known as evening star and morning star? Venus কে কেন evening star and morning star বলা হয়? Answer. Venus is the first to be seen in western night sky. It is never seen throughout the night. It rises before dawn and sets at sunset. This happens due to clockwise rotation of Venus. Next question. What is lunar eclipse and solar eclipse? Lunar eclipse and solar eclipse কাকে বলে? Answer. At first, lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth is between the sun and the moon. Exact, the sun, earth and moon are in a straight line with the earth in between the sun and the moon. The shadow of the earth falls on the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. And solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the sun, earth and moon move in a straight line with the moon position in between the sun and the earth. The shadow of the moon is cast on the earth. This is called solar eclipse. Next question. Why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Even though Venus is farther away from the sun. বন্ধুরা, কেন ভেনাস মার্কারির থেকে বেশি হটার? মার্কারি যে সবচেয়ে সানের কাছে থাকে, তা সত্ত্বেও ভেনাস যে মার্কারির পরে আছে, তা সত্ত্বেও কেন ভেনাস মার্কারির থেকে বেশি হটার? আনসার. It is all for the atmosphere that Venus has. The intense heat is the result of accumulation of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gas in the atmosphere of this planet. Radiation from the sun is absorbed by the planet Venus, and the heat emitted is trapped by the carbon dioxide in Venus' atmosphere, which creates increase of heat extensively. The atmosphere of the Venus is made up of mostly carbon dioxide, which traps the heat of the sun, making the surface temperature as high as 450 degrees Celsius. Next question. Write a note on layers of the sun. সানের লেয়ার্সের ওপর একটা নোট লেখো. আনসার. From center to the surface of the sun, there are 4 distinctive layers. They are, বন্ধুরা মনে রাখবে, সানের 4 লেয়ার্স আছে. তারা হলো কোর, ফটোস্ফিয়ার, ক্রোমোস্ফিয়ার অ্যান্ড করোনা. At first আমরা ডিসকাস করব কোর. Interior core of the sun consists of hydrogen and helium gases with a temperature is called solar core. The temperature at the core or center of the sun is around 1.4 million degrees Celsius. Next, photosphere. The visible yellow phase around the core of the sun is called the photosphere or the sphere of light, where the temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. The rays and heat radiate from it. Next, chromosphere. Surrounding the photosphere is chromosphere. Temperature around 32,400 degrees Celsius, which is pink or reddish in color. The flames of the chromosphere go up thousands of kilometers and are called prominences. Next layer is corona. It is the uppermost layer of the sun. It is visible unaided eyes only during solar eclipse. Temperature of the corona is about 27 lakh degrees Celsius, hot enough to emit X-rays. Next, write the difference between stars and planets. Stars and planets এর মধ্যে difference লেখো. Answer: difference between stars and planets are stars. A star is made up of hot burning gases, but planets are made up of solid materials like rocks and stones. Stars emit light of their own, but planets shine because of the light they reflect from the sun. Stars twinkle, but planets do not twinkle. Stars are very big, but planets are very small as compared to the stars. Stars are very hot, but temperature of the planets depend on its distance from the sun. There are millions of stars, but there are only 9 planets. The sun is an example of the star. The earth revolves around the sun. It is an example of a planet. Next question. Write the brief description of the planets of solar system. Solar system এর planets গুলোর একটা brief description লেখো. Answer: the brief description of the planets of our solar system is given below. At first, inner planets. Number 1, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun and smallest planet in the solar system. It is named after the messenger of the Roman gods. Distance. Its distance is about 58 million kilometers. Diameter. Its diameter is 4,878 kilometers. Temperature. The maximum temperature of this planet is 430 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature at opposite side is 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury's rotational period is 58 days. Length of the day: 58 days, 15 hours, 30 minutes. Length of years: 87.97 days. Satellite: none. Revolutionary speed: it is the swiftest planet and completes one revolution in 88 days. Next planet is Venus. The Velid planet. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Distance from Sun. It is the second planet from the Sun and lies 107 million kilometer distance from the Sun. Size. It is like the Earth in size and mass and hence also known as the Earth's twin. 12,104 km. Average surface temperature. It is the hottest planet in the solar system and its average surface temperature is 450 degrees Celsius. It is the warmest planet. Orbital period 225 days. Length of the day 243 days 14 minutes. Direction of rotation, it spins clockwise opposite to that of Earth. Third planet is Earth, the blue planet. It is the largest of the inner planets. It is the fifth largest planet in the solar system and third in distance from the Sun. The Earth is known as the watery planet or the blue planet. It is the only known planet which has life on it. Distance from the Sun 150 million km. Average surface temperature of the Earth 15 degrees Celsius or plus 14 degrees Celsius. Length of day 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds. Length of year 364 days 48 minutes 46 seconds, approximately 365.25 days. Average speed of revolution 29 km per second and direction of the revolution is anti-clockwise. Satellite 1 Moon. Next planet is Mars. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Its iron-rich red soil and pink sky give it the name Red Planet. Distance from the Sun 228 million km, 1.5 times that of Earth. Average surface temperature is minus 25 degrees Celsius. Length of day 24 hours 37 minutes. Length of year 1 year and 321.73 days. Satellites 2 Phobos and Deimos. Size small. Diameter less than 25 km. Discovered in 1877. Next planet is Jupiter, the giant planet. It is the largest planet of the solar system. About 1300 Earth-sized balls could fit within this enormous planet. Jupiter rotates faster than any other planet. This fast spin causes high winds. Average surface temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. Length of the day is 9 hours 50 minutes. Length of year 11 years and 315 days. Distance from the Sun 778 million km. Satellites 63. Size diameter ranges from 3000 km to 5000 km. Discovered in 1610 by Galileo Galilei. Next planet is Saturn, the jewel planet. Saturn is named after Jupiter's father in Roman mythology. It is the second largest planet and the most beautiful planet in the solar, mainly because of its spectacular rings, which are made up of ice and ice-covered dust particles. The other giant planets also have rings, but the Saturn's rings are brightest and most complex. Average surface temperature minus 178 degrees Celsius. Length of the day 10 hours 41 minutes. Length of the year 29 years and 167.25 days. Distance from the sun 1400 million kilometer, 9.6 times that of Earth. Satellites 18 known, 22 or more expected. Discovered between 1655 and 1684. Next planet is Uranus, a planet on its side. Uranus is named after the Roman god of the sky. This planet is about 4 times the size of Earth. Its axis tilted at 98 degrees. Unlike the other planets that spin like tops as they circle the sun, Uranus seems to be rolling along its orbit. It completes one revolution in 84 years. This planet appears greenish in color because the methane gas present absorbs the reddish color from the sunlight. Average surface temperature is minus 213 degrees Celsius. Length of the day is 16 hours 48 minutes. It spins on its sides clockwise opposite to the of Earth. Length of the year 84 years and 3.65 days. Distance from the sun 2870 million kilometer. Satellites 15. Discovered between 1787 and 1948. The next planet is Neptune, the last giant. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea, the son of the Saturn and brother of Jupiter. Neptune is very similar to Uranus and can be considered its twin. Average surface temperature minus 214 degrees Celsius. Length of the day 16 hours 3 minutes. Length of the year 164 years and 288.54 days. Distance from the sun 4500 million kilometer. Satellites 8. Discovered between 1787 and 1948. And the last planet is Pluto, the dwarf planet. Once it considered to be the 9th planet in the solar system. Pluto's orbit is unusual. It is highly elongated and tilted at an angle of 17 degrees as compared to the orbits of the rest of the planets, and for these causes Pluto was declared to be a dwarf planet by the astronomers in 2006. According to them, dwarf planets cannot repel a celestial body that intrudes into its orbit, and it is another cause for terming it as dwarf planet. Pluto, even smaller than the moon, completes one revolution in 248 years. It has one satellite named Charon, son of Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1978. Class 6 English Medium Geography Chapter 1 থার্ড পার্টের ভিডিও আজ এই পর্যন্তই। ভিডিওটা যদি তোমাদের ভালো লাগে ভিডিওটা একটা লাইক করো, শেয়ার করো আর আমার এই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। বন্ধুরা, ভিডিও দেখানো কোশ্চেন আনসারের পিডিএফ তোমাদের যদি দরকার হয় তাহলে ভিডিওর নিচে কমেন্ট বক্সে একটি কন্ট্যাক্ট ডিটেলস দেওয়া আছে, সেখানে যোগাযোগ করে তোমরা পিডিএফ সংক্রান্ত সমস্ত ডিটেলস জেনে নিতে পারো। এছাড়া ভিডিও দেখানো কোশ্চেন আনসার শুনতে অথবা বুঝতে তোমাদের যদি অসুবিধা হয় অবশ্যই ভিডিওর নিচে কমেন্ট বক্সে লিখে পাঠাও, আমি তোমাদের সব ডাউট ক্লিয়ার করে দেবো। তো আজকের মতো এই পর্যন্তই, সবাই ভালো থেকো। পরের দিন তোমাদের সঙ্গে দেখা হচ্ছে নতুন একটা ভিডিও নিয়ে।